guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, features, and launch dates would be also posted. So please make sure that you do a screenshot and check with your CAs for availability and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you guys to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share new and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Launch dates, price, SKUs are included. Please take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for orders and availability. Thank you to Foxy LV, Matty74, Info LV, Gem LV, LVX Val for sharing these. Happy shopping, guys! So let us start first with the Louis Vuitton Wave Chain Bag, size MM. Price is $2,980 USD. It features a leather shoulder bag with quilted wave design, H-gold hardware, magnetic lock closure. As we could see, it has two main compartments with one zip compartment. Launching August 25th. So this one I have shared previously, but I would just like to share it to you again. So we have the new Wave multi-pochette. Price is $2,710 USD. Features the leather shoulder bag detail with quilted wave design, H-gold hardware with magnetic lock closure, and it comes with a detachable coin pouch. Then we have the District Messenger Blue Atlantique. Launch date of this collection is September 14th. Price is €1,850. So the color of the monogram is the Blue Atlantique. Louis Vuitton logo in front. This is a crossbody bag with monogram bag tag and adjustable crossbody strap. Then we have the Keepall 50. Price is €3,800. We have the SKU here. Color is the Rouge Vermilion Epi Leather, really gorgeous. Silver hardware with a monogram bag tag, and we could see that the Louis Vuitton logo is in front as well. Then this one I have shared previously, but resharing it again. We have the Keepall 25. Price is €2,150. The monogram is the Blue Atlantique canvas, black hardware, monogram bag tag, and again the logo of LV is in front. We have the Keepall 45. Price is €2,700. The color of this one is the khaki monogram canvas, black hardware, monogram bag tag. It has the Louis Vuitton logo in front, adjustable strap, and canvas top handle. We have the Trio Messenger. For the price and SKU, I will just be posting once it is available. So this bag is a two bag, so one main bag with a detachable pochette, and it has a detachable key pouch as well. Color is the khaki monogram canvas. Then we have the Louis Vuitton backpack. Price and SKU I will be posting once available. The monogram canvas color is khaki, black hardware, monogram bag tag, and the Louis Vuitton logo is present in front as well. This is a new design. We have the Hobo Messenger bag. It features the khaki monogram canvas. The shoulder strap is fully adjustable. I believe you could also wear this as a shoulder bag, and it comes with a detachable monogram bag tag as well. Then we have the LV pochette. Price at SKU I will be posting once available. Part of the same collection. So again guys, please do take note that this collection with the Blue Atlantique and the khaki monogram is launching September 14, 2023. Then we have launching September 1st, the Louis Vuitton Tigergram Bag Charm. Price is €465. So guys, the entire Tigergram collection is cancelled except for this bag charm. What do you think? Then new bag, we have the mini Chantilly. Price is very affordable at $1,670. It is a monogram bag with vachetta leather trims. Dimension is 4.9 inches in length, 1.6 by 5.1 inches with adjustable strap, launching September 1st. Then we have accessories. So first we have the LV beanie. Price and SKU I will be posting once available. So as we could see, love the colorway of this one. So we have the pinks, we have the grays, we have the earth tones, we have the red. We have the LV headline and LV spark. And then aside from this one, we have the Louis Vuitton silk scarves, bandos, and accessories. Which one among here is your favorite? Of course, I am loving the LV bejeweled one. I love the silk scarf. Then it also comes with the bandeau. Then let us check out the jewelry collection of LV. So first, we have the Louis Vuitton rings. For the price and SKU once available, I will be posting on our community wall. So this one is a fine jewelry. We could see that the monogram is engraved, comes in gold and white gold material. Then we have the Louis Vuitton bracelet. So it's a fine jewelry. We could see the cute Louis Vuitton monogram is engraved with the entirety of the bracelet. Then we have earrings. So for this one, guys, I am not really sure if this is fine jewelry or costume jewelry. We have the SKU here. So for the price, please do stand by. Although I am really loving this earring, I could see myself wearing this. As you can see, it's made of gold and it has sparkles at the end. We have more rings. So not sure again if this is fine jewelry or just costume jewelry. So I believe this is part of the Louis Vuitton Nanogram collection. We could see that the LV monogram is engraved at the entirety of the two rings. We have necklace over here. So gold necklace. What I love about this one is of course the LV flowers and logo as charms of this very beautiful necklace. What do you think of this one, guys? Next, we have new design bag. We have the Lock It bag. Price is $5,550. We have SKU here. So this is a top handle bag with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It's a mix of smooth grain and smooth leather with padlock and clochette. So this bag is launching September 29, 2023. So the color of this one is like a brown gray color. Same price of $5,550. Guys, what do you think of this style? It kind of reminds me of the Alma BB or Alma PM. What do you think? So it also comes in this very beautiful black leather with gold hardware. We are going to see that it has the same price, of course, of $5,550. Mix of smooth and grained leather. That's what I really love about it. And you can close it with two zippers. Then we have the LV top handle. Price and SKU I'll be posting once available. So this is made of matte black croc leather. It is a top handle bag and I love the gold hardware detail. What do you think of this bag? Definitely I am in love with this style. Then we have the fall capsule ready-to-wear pieces. So all of these ready-to-wear are launching September 14, 2023. Same with the bags earlier that I've discussed with the blue Atlantique and the khaki colorway. What do you think of the ready-to-wear for the men's collection? This one, I love this one, and it has a pants that it comes with. I love the monogram. I love the flower detail. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, please do leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, among the many beautiful bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any personal favorite? Are you adding anything to your wish list? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!